because he's watching this end of the track drop. But once it drops and he starts turning around, wave at the engineer there. He'll wave back to you. We'll show you how we turn it around on a turntable. Our engine 630 was built in 1904. Classified as a 280. 2 stands for the 2 wheels in front. They don't steer, they guide. They call power wheels. The 8 stands for the big wheels in the middle, the 8 drive wheels. The 0 means she's not long enough or heavy enough for wheels underneath the cab. A 280, one of your short steam engines of the steam era. And he's watching this end of the track drop. When it drops, he stops. He's watching, oh, there it goes, it drops. He's silent. Wave at the engineer there, he hit it right on the money. The coal tender will hold 10,000 gallons of water and 16 tons of coal. You shovel that coal and
you okay?
You get another day over. All steam all the way. I have to admit to you though, you see that steam escaping out of that pipe up on top? That is a steam-powered electrical generator for the headlights. They used to have a lantern up here on top. Now the government says we have to have a headlight. So now we have a steam-powered electrical generator. All steam all the way, guys. Now we came in on track number 1, and we got on the turntable, and we're turning it all the way around. But we're going to get off on track number 2. Track number 2 will take us to the other end of the passenger car.
You're okay.
We'll switch over, we'll back up, we'll rehook, going back to Grand Junction. But to bring this big locomotive off this turntable, we have to line up the turntable with track number 2 by eyeball. It's not automatic, it's an eyeball alignment. Turntable, track 2. Here's track 1, but we don't need it. We're going to track 2. Now one thing about lining this turntable up with track number 2, guys.
Okay, hold on.
If we miss this lineup, there will be a job opening tomorrow. Well, the engineer's saying, I think I can. Here you go.
You're okay. It's not that loud, baby. You're okay.
Now you guys on the end, if you want to come this way.
Come on, baby.